Summertime is pruning time. There is so much need, all my trees are in so much need of pruning, so this video is just gonna be me pruning various trees. Some of them you might have seen before in previous videos, and that's what this channel is all about, and if there's some new ones, great. With this large group of three, I'm starting to feel like it's what I prefer regarding the thickness of the branches. It's starting to look better and being proportionate better. So that's nice. But yeah, just 2 weeks and it's in desperate need of pruning again. So that's what I gotta do. And of course taking some wire off and maybe some rewiring, all that stuff. I'm wiring very loosely right now because there's so much growth during summer that I don't want to make too many marks on the branches. That's why it's looks very loose. It doesn't bend as well, but the benefit is it doesn't leave any marks, and that's what I want. That's it for this specimen. Next little tree is my ficus right here, that I made from a cutting from the classic IKEA collection. I'm conspiring to maybe start over with the taper because these top branches are very thick compared to the trunk, so maybe it would be a good idea to start over. And that's the good thing about these ficuses, it's very simple. But I'll have to think about it. Well, I think I'll do it. I'll start over. Well, hopefully this branch will come back. The tree, this little ficus is really dependent on this one coming back, but they always do, so I'm not that nervous. Of course, there will be an update later on. For now, it's because of the cutting in of the wire inside the branch. It's a very interesting gem, I think, without doing much work. I'm really fond about this one. And when you wire a taper on especially ficus trees, because they are very vigorous and strange growing also in nature, so it's okay. I really exaggerated the bend here because you know, when it grows thicker it will look less drastic, so that's why when the branches were very thin and when it's easy to bend, you want to do this with ficus so it does make an interesting tree. which I've tried to here. This is the root of my crabapple tree that fell off. It rotted off back home in Denmark, and I just took the root and put it in, and then it had a branch on it, but it's gonna be interesting. That wood, I gotta give it some the gin treatment so it doesn't rot off. But very interesting with the dead wood being a lot thicker than the tree. But this is something that could easily happen in nature. I'm not gonna do much here. I'm just gonna do the good old cut and let grow. Yes, because I wanna thicken the trunk, and it really needs a repotting, so I don't want to do a lot to it now. I'll repot it in the spring, so you'll be able to see it by then. That's it. Next tree here is my original IKEA Ficus ginseng tree, which is also in need of pruning. All these brown leaves is not because it's in bad shape, it's just when you move a tree from inside to outside during the summer, it's gotta get used to the UV light again, and that's what happened here. That's why all these leaves died, because windows take up a lot of the UV, almost all of it. So that's just it. But yeah, it needs some pruning and a little bit of wiring maybe, and then it's all good. That's it.